Hello my good people, hope everyone is fine. Welcome back to my channel, Father J. I'm happy for this day. So today I'm gonna show you, I want to tell you this for new subscribers and my audience that have changed my name from J People to Father J due to some chaos and here and there, because some of my people are raising some words that we have been searching for you, and we are seeing some people that they are not threatening to you. Some of the video that you are telling us check on it, we found out a video, so that's why I decided to change the name to Father J. Hope it's not known for many people, but just bear with me. So today I'm gonna show you where we are taking a shower here at the river, and also have the fruit here called fennes, something there. So let me take you to another good tree called bamboo stick. Bamboo stick. Ooh, there's a name that you are singing relating to the bamboo stick, but I forget it. It is many years, so I can't recall. Bamboo stick, yeah. Bamboo stick. I don't know. So let me show you bamboo stick. It's a nice place. You can even take a nature walk with your fiance, or you can just decide to come and see all view this beautiful place. So guys, here it is, the bamboo stick. You see, there are very many bush bamboo stick. You see, bush bamboo stick, bush bamboo stick, bush bamboo stick. You see, so that's the water. They are flowing, they're stuck there. You see, let me check through. Let me check through it, so that if we checking through that bamboo stick bush, bamboo stick bush. You see, it's near the river. There you see bamboo stick. Here I am at bamboo what? Bamboo bush. At the bamboo bush. So my people, we are at the road of getting to the 1000 subscribers. So kindly subscribe, comment if you are new subscriber or new audience to my channel. Subscribe, comment, share, so that we can go together. So my people, as I tell you first, I tell you earlier that I have changed my name. I've changed my name from J People to Father J. So you just bear with me. I know I'll just catch your attention as time goes by. So I've just decided to come here today, show you the amazing bamboo stick. a good scenery that one may want even to come here to Africa. So here at Keburui village, Kenya, East African. So maybe someone will maybe want to come here and see this bamboo. Just take my number to the bio or at my profile there and WhatsApp me. Then we just talk. So the main thing I want just now is only to subscribe to my channel, or I'm on the road of getting 1,000 subscribers. So push me, just hold me so that I can be monetized, or I can be monetized, my good people. So let's grow together. Let's go together. You see, people are cutting this bamboo stick for their own uses. Others, they are cutting it for what? For building their houses. And not this bamboo stick are using for building housing. Yeah, and it's make a good house, but mostly at the make pub and some other things. So kindly, my people, subscribe. That's my main attention. Subscribe. I'm on the way, and I may say I'm on the journey of getting that 1,000 subscribers so that I can be monetized. You see, as I tell you earlier, that these are very good and a nice, very beautiful place. You see, and the view, you can, yeah, I'm sitting here. Maybe I show you. You know, I'm sitting here and I'm just viewing that bamboo stick bush. You see, I'm sitting here and I'm viewing it. You see, very good one. I'll just use hand. Maybe show that's the tree fenestry. I don't know my pronunciation. Just bear with me. No, it's very big one. Hey, the camera wall. You see. So guys, I'm just reviewing that place. I'm just reviewing it. I'm going home now. I'm crossing this main road. It's Moram Road. I'm just crossing it. I'm crossing it, going home. Oh, my main point is, kindly, I beg you, I'm on the road of getting that 1,000 subscribers so that I can get monetized. So kindly share this to many people as you can, so that you can enjoy this African village signal. So see how, see even there the way They're building the house. Yeah, that's a mud house. When I'm saying mud house, you use the soil, just mix it, then we build the house. You see, so share to many people as you can, so that they can enjoy the smell of African village. You see here, this is a forest, very big and forest. Get fresh air from it and you enjoy. So I've just come from there, down there. That's where I've just come from. So yeah, by now I'm just heading home. Wanna go and take lunch. So this is the road. This is African road. So guys, don't be shocked when you see this, wondering what our road is this. This is a Molam road and they have not even renovated. So it's just a mess. So it's all about politics. They use this as getting the votes from the voters, but that's not good, and that's why it's being told any people is equal. As we all gathered, we all equal. And indeed, by saying so, when God will come to take us, God will not choose that this one have money, this one don't have money, this is poor, this have many wealth, so stay there, I'm going with this. No, we will be equal. We will be very equal. We will be the same. And for that doesn't keep me or keep me trusting that everything is okay or everything is good when you trust in God, or when you put all your trust on God. So here we were harvesting last week, harvesting this. So we are harvesting it, and you have, maybe someone will ask you, we say that it is a grass, but not it. I forgot the name of this one. Looks like a grass, and the other ones are there, many. I've just harvested. You see the way healthy it is.